The Minister of Transportation, Mr. Said Alkali, says the 387-kilometre Kano-Maradi railway project has reached 60% completion stage. Alkali made the declaration in his remarks at the Second International Railway Conference in Abuja. According to him, the federal government has extended the project to Dutse in Jigawa State. The minister said the Federal Executive Council recently approved construction of one modern one-bus terminal in each geopolitical zone of the country. According to him, the bus terminals will be situated at Abeokuta, southwest, Onitsha, southeast, Warri, south-south, Lokoja, north-central, Kano, northwest, and Gombe, northeast.
Facilitate acceleration execution of 203 kilometer Kaduna-Kano ongoing railway modernization from 15% at the inception of this administration to 55%, and the 387 Kano-Maradi with extension to Dutse in Jigawa State from 5% to 60%. While the Kaduna-Kano project will be ready for completion and commissioning by December 2026, the Kano-Maradi project will reach Katsina by December this year and be ready for completion and commissioning by March 2027. Successful completion of rehabilitation of the Lagos-Kano narrow gauge for freight of goods from seaport to connect to Dala Inland Dry Port to put it into use. The recent Federal Executive Council approval for the construction of one bus terminal in each geopolitical zones of the country to be situated at Abeokuta Southwest, Onitsha Southeast, Warri South-South, Lokoja North Central, Kano Northwest, and Gombe Northeast. This development will enhance efficiency, public safety, and welfare of our passengers. The conference seeks to enable railway experts, industry players, and other stakeholders to share knowledge and experience across jurisdictions on emerging trends, funding opportunities, and opportunities of railway services as catalysts for national development. This discussion will maximize the potentials of the railway subsector as viable option for boosting economic commerce through geographical mobility and general economic growth through connectivity and collaborations. I am glad to inform you that the renewed hope agenda of our dear President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration has accorded special priority to transportation in recognition of the reality credited to transportation as a gateway to our nation's economy.
Contributing, Mr. Samuel Uko, the Chief Executive Officer of the SADL Consortium, commended the federal government for approving high-speed rail projects in the country.
Nigeria is the 6th largest gas reserve in the world, and 3,500 megawatt of power is what we need for the operation of the high-speed rail network. 5,000 megawatt of gas will be used for industrial cities. So the project comes with industrial cities in each of the major rail stations in Nigeria: Lagos, Abuja, Kano, Port Harcourt, Maiduguri, and Sokoto. This SADL is looking at 2 million direct and indirect jobs with the high-speed rail project initiative. With the completion of the first phase of the project, it can pay itself back in a minimum period of 5 to 10 years.
Mr. George Akume, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, said the ongoing project will attract foreign investment, thereby boosting the nation's infrastructural development and revenue generation profile.
This is indeed a bold and visionary initiative with the potential to significantly transform Nigeria's infrastructure base and accelerate economic growth trajectory. The renewed hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR prioritizes transformational infrastructure, economic diversification, job creation, and sustainable national development. This project, with its integrated components of high-speed rail, power generation and transmission, LNG infrastructure, and digital backbone, resonates strongly with these priorities and offers immense opportunities for inclusive growth and national integration.